On today's episode of Focus Garage, we have a Golf R giving birth to a human being. How you doing down there? You good?
What are you doing, man? No lights? What are you doing?
This guy's crazy. Give him a hand here.
Hey, you can see what you're doing. I can see.
We got a
Wait, why are you
big
doing
turbo
this by hand?
Golf R,
You have
and
powers.
we're doing some sensors on it here. We've got the manifold pressure sensor up top, and then we're doing the pressure and the charge piping down below. Can't drive the car until he gets it flashed because the car won't know what to do with it. But I figure this is a pretty cool garage setup here. We'll show some of the cars and show some people suffering while we stand above and watch. So we got my buddy Zach. This is his Corvette Z06. I know you guys missed the C6s here, so here's one here. I've had a C6, a Grand Sport.
I thought you had a C5.
Had a C5, had a C6, had all the Corvettes. People say that what is this, Torch Red? Victory Red? People say the red Corvettes are the fastest Corvettes. I think that's true.
I don't know, my buddy's orange one was pretty fast.
Yeah, my orange one was pretty slow, pretty fast. I don't know. Got a little Miata project back here. Stripped down because it's going to be painted green and given away. Here we have a Volkswagen mechanic in their natural habitat, reaching deep into the depths of the EA888 engine.
He does have Allens. Look at that.
Dude, Allen's, Torx, he's got a whole hodgepodge of things in there. Look at this. You guys can't see. Oh, there's a hand. There it is. So there's a forbidden Torx bit. What do we got, a T25 down there?
Yeah.
So if you guys are trying to do these on your car, it might be better off to just take the whole radiator out and throw the car away.
Why can't you just tune the ECM to accept that sensor that's on there?
Something I found interesting is the skid plate that he's got. It's got a Golf All-Track skid plate here, a little composite or something like that. Heavy as but real strong.
Oh, no.
Holds bubble gum just fine.
Up till 28.
Why would they put that there? That seems stupid.
What? Why would they put what where?
The boost sensor.
Oh, the reference sensor in the manifold? So this is what, a map sensor up here, right? Are you doing a map sensor down there?
This is a put sensor.
Okay. You got the
What?
PUT?
A putt?
Put.
Putt.
Like golf?
Like, what, yeah, what are you putting exactly?
What?
I put 28.
He's putting 28.
Well, once this other one's installed, we'll be putting 35.
Okay.
35 bars?
No.
Pissy.
35
PSI.
Pisses.
Pissy.
But wait, this is 3 bars.
So the one you got up there that's unplugged is a 5 bar.
Wait a minute.
And the one that I'm putting in down here is a 4 bar.
But you have a 3 bar.
Down here, yeah.
Are you going more than 3 bars?
I'm going, yeah.
How much?
This 3 bar taps out at 29.
14 point.
4
14,
bar goes
14
up to-
point. What?
Three.
A bar is what? 14.3, right? Yeah.
So yeah, how much fucking boost are you?
Over
running?
30.
Are you really?
Yeah.
But that is over 30.
No, this one not. It's not.
You said
3
3
would
bars.
be. 3 would be, yeah.
How many
That's
bars
not how
is
it
this
works. Well, it doesn't. Well, the ECM can't read it.
one? Let's
Past
Google
28.
this.
We need to figure out
Why
what's
would you
going
have
on here.
things in American, dude.
Because I don't like American cars.
How did
You said you wanted to buy a Mustang.
He's like, it is true. It is true.
All right, 3 bar. Dude, it's 43 psi.
Yeah, but so it's got to be a 2-bar sensor then from the factory if you're
No,
upgrading
he's
it.
doing this for no,
No, because
reason.
it's going. It's a 4 bar already up here,
Okay,
and it's a 3 bar.
but a 3-bar would be
no,
sufficient.
3
maybe
bar
it's
is 40.
2 bar. It's gotta be a 2 bar.
It might be 3 and 3 then.
So why do you need more? You're gonna do more than
Because
43
before they had 5 bar sensors, they were putting a 4 bar up here.
That's
Leaving-
all of these are more than what you're running.
No, it's a 4 and 3.
How much psi are you
It's a
gonna
4
run?
and 3.
It's like 35, right? 35 psi
35 psi
Yeah.
on the stock engine.
with forged but not forged internals. Just forged crank,
I
allegedly.
think that sensor's good. I think you just leave it. It's 43 psi. 43.5.
It's not good.
It's not good. Gotta take it out. Gotta take it out. Here's somebody looking at a Golf R's rear differential for the first time. Are you impressed?
Oh, it's not that small.
No, I mean, they do.
I mean,
The drive shaft is so tiny, though. That's like Miata size.
It's crazy, right?